Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 20th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on the cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, and Brussels sprout seedlings here. So, they are starting to get their true leaves, so it's time to feed them. I have some more over here. I'll show them to you here real quick. There they are. Pull one of the trays out here. So, there's two different ways you can feed these. Now, you can feed these organically using Sea Magic, and I have used that on vegetables already. They do very well with it. This down here is all fed with Sea Magic. Or you could feed them with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. You feed it a fourth a teaspoon to a gallon of water. And now I'm going to be using the Miracle-Gro on these. So my soil is nice and moist, and I make sure that my soil is nice and moist before I feed my plants, because you never want to feed a dry plant because you'll burn the root system on it. And I'll feed these once a week, and I'll have some links down in the description with some different plant foods you can feed your stuff with. If you want to feed it organically, that's fine. You can do that with Sea Magic. Now the Sea Magic you feed every other week. So I'm going to feed these here. We'll be right back. Okay, so I put a little tray under this because my other trays are getting old and they have holes in them and they leak, and I don't want it going down on top of the other light, so I moved them to a different thing over here. Give me some water here. Now, I do have a fan running down here. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I just turned it down on low so that I could do the video. And that helps to circulate the air around. It helps to get your plants the carbon dioxide that they need. And it also helps to make them sturdier. So I'm very pleased with how well these are growing for me. I'll show you the other flat here in a moment. Back. And this one right here is the other flat. The Copenhagen cabbage did come up for me, and I have that elsewhere. Now, some of my seeds here are still germinating, so I am keeping the seed starting mix nice and moist still, so that they continue to germinate for me. And I'm going to be feeding this flat here. And I'm going to be feeding the flats here that have the true leaves as well. This is your true leaf right here. This is the Smart Snack Hybrid Broccoli here. And this is the green sprouting broccoli here. This is the Italian heirloom one. And these are still coming up. And I still have more of the broccoli coming up over here. This is my Brussels sprouts here. And over here is my cauliflower. And this right here is our red acre cabbage. This is our premium late flat Dutch cabbage. And this over here is the Brunswick cabbage. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I will show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a Twitter account. I have a link down in the description for that. You can get updates on how seedlings are doing, what videos are coming up, and gardening tips. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.